In this video, I would be talking about an affiliate program that provides you $5 per free sign up. So this is an affiliate program called Google Site. I would also be discussing about the platform where you can promote this program and can easily generate $300 to $400 per month. So let's get started, and before starting the video I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel. So let me introduce you about Google Site. Google Site is basically an online platform for tech professionals. It is a platform for software developers, marketers, project managers, and many more. So as you can see, you can promote different types of courses here on this platform. Some of the trending courses are like JavaScript, Core, Python, Angular, and C. So you can choose any of the course from this platform and start promoting it online. And for each sign up that the customer joins on this platform, you will get paid $5. So you just have to scroll down and click on the affiliate programs. So before we join the affiliate program of this network called Google Site, let me introduce you about the commissions of this platform. So as you can see, the Google Site provides you $5 for free sign up, and you get 50% of the monthly subscription. What that mean is, like, for every monthly subscription the customer buys from your link, you will get 50% out of that amount. And if the customer joins the annual subscription from your affiliate link, you will get 15% of the amount that the customer is paying. And if the customer joins the premium subscription from your affiliate link, you will get 10% of the total amount. So these were the simple commissions mentioned on the Google site. So now let's go to the process of sign up. You just have to click on start today. After you click on start today, you will be taken to a page where you have to enter all the basic details. Like as you can see on the screen, you have to enter all your basic details like your account details. In the first section, you have to select the language, and in the second option you have to select the account display name. And as you can see in the third option, which is most important, you have to provide the link of your website. So guys, if you do not have a website, you can create a free website on different platform online. I have already made a video about creating a website on a free platform, so I would leave a link in the description box below. In the country section, you have to select your country. These are basically all the simple and basic informations that everyone can fill out, like your address and city, state, zip code. So in this way, you have to fill out all the details in the 5 steps as it is mentioned here. You can see in this step 2 you have to fill some additional details, and the step 3 you have to fill some personal details, and in the step 4th you have to fill some details about your tax information, and in the fifth step it is a review step, means all the 4 steps will be reviewed in the fifth step. So after you successfully fill all these details, you just have to click on the continue button. So guys, after you click on a continue button, you will be redirected to an online platform called Impact Radius. Impact Radius is an online platform that connects different types of affiliate networks on a single platform. Means you can promote different types of affiliate networks on a single platform. So basically, if you do not have an account on Impact Radius, you can still promote this product from Impact Radius. I already have an account of Impact Radius, so let me log into my account and show you the dashboard of the Impact Radius. And after that, I would be talking about the platform where you can promote your link, not only this product but different types of your affiliate products. So guys, as I have already discussed with you, after you click on the confirm button, you will be redirected to an Impact Radius platform. Here you can see a form that is about Google site. So you have to scroll down, and if you wanted to read, and if you want to read, you can read all these basic details, and you just have to scroll down and click on I approve button. On the left side, as you can see, it is written I approve the contract and want to continue. So after you click on this button, your application will go in the review process. After few days, you will get a confirmation email from Pluralsight about your request. So guys, if your request get approved by the Pluralsight, you just have to come to Pluralsight. So you just have to select one product from the Pluralsight that you wanted to promote. So for example, I would like to promote core Python courses. So after I choose my product, I will be promoting my product on Quora.com. Quora.com is basically a question and answer website. I would be telling you the whole process, how you have to answer all these questions and how you have to generate the sales. As I have already discussed with you, I would be showing you how you can promote Python language course. So to promote the Python language on Quora, you just have to enter the Python language on search box. So after I click on enter, you will see different types of questions that are asked by people who wanted to learn Python language. So as you can see different types of questions. From the left section, you have to select the questions as I have already selected, and you have to scroll down and see all these questions which are related to Python language. So it is still loading, I think. So what you can do is you have to answer all these questions and you have to leave a link of your website on these questions. So in this way you will generate the traffic on your website from Quora, and you will also get affiliate sales. So for best results guys, you just have to select on the left side, as you can see, the past week option. After you select the past week, so these are the customers who are searching for Python language in the past week. So there are high chances that you get sales from these customers. So try to write 5 to 10 answers each day, and you will definitely end up making $300 to $400 after 1 month. So this was all about Pluralsight. Hope you like this video, and if you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.